Good morning, friends. We, the student of class 10th H, are here to explain you the topic about art integrated project. Today, I will explain you the topic nature in Odisha. The Odisha has a tropical climate categorized by the high temperature, high humidity, medium to high rainfall, and a short and mild winter. Chilika Lake. Chilika Lake in Odisha is the Asia's biggest internal saltwater pond, studded with a few tiny islands, including the most charming Honeymoon Island and the Breakfast Island. This spear-shaped lake, separated from the Bay of Bengal, also imbibes on one of the most supportive ecosystems in the name of Chilika Lake Sanctuary in the region. Wildlife in Odisha. Bhitarkanika National Park, dotted with luxuriant greenery, beautiful terrain, exquisite biodiversity, and pulsating ecosystem. Bhitarkanika National Park is a spectacular tourist place in Odisha to capture the enthralling of various wildlife species. Famous food in Odisha. Majority of people from Odisha are non-vegetarians and the fish forms an integral part of their traditional cuisine. Odisha dishes are rich and varied and rely on local ingredients. Rice, both sun-dried and parboiled, is the staple food of people in this state. Pakhala. Pakhala or water rice is a humble Indian dish that combines cooked rice with water and variety of spices. It is typically flavored with roasted cumin seeds, ginger, sugar, salt, or sliced oranges. Oghatta. Oghatta is another famous dish in Odisha. Elephant apple or O as it is known in Odisha, which is a sour fruit. So jaggery or sugar is added to the it while cooking to get a sweet and sour taste. Okata is a typical recipe of Odisha, which is not found anywhere else.
Hello everyone, this is Chinmay Pense. I study in 10th H in Prodigy Public School. So, I would like to tell you about the culture and the economy of Odisha state. Both are very important topics which one must know. So, without wasting the time, let's begin with the culture of Odisha. The culture of Odisha is fulfilled with diversity and charm. They have also got their culture, which is thousands of years old, by their ancestors. Therefore, we can see their art over their temples. Jagannath Temple and Konark Temple are the best examples of it. Also, they have acquired the art of sculpting on sand. I did also like to add that their richness of their culture reflects in their literature also. Poet Jaydev was the first and is the best legend in the same. Even Odissi music makes people mesmerized by its power. It has many types like Padi, Triswari, etc. Even the folk music consists of Jogi Gita, Kendara Gita, etc. Also, people love to see the Odissi dances like Odissi. In that, dancers like Gurudeva Prasad Das, Guru Pankaj Charan Das, Guru Raghunath Datta are famous. Also, Chahu dance, which was originated in Mahurban's region, is famous. And the Mahari dance is one of the important dances there. If we talk about their clothes, people wear traditional dresses like dhoti, kurta, gamucha, sambalpuri sari, and salwar kameez. Even western clothes like shirt, coat are also used. Now let's move towards the economy. The economy of Odisha is one of the fastest growing economy in India. The GSDB or the gross state domestic product is expected to grow at 8.7%. It is mostly agriculture based economy, but it has also made progress in secondary and tertiary sectors. But tertiary sector has more hand in GSDB. Here, investment proposals worth rupees 49,527 crores, while annual average growth rate is 6.23%. If we see the GDP, it's 5.334 lakh crores rupees, which makes its GDP rank as 16 in 2019 and 20. Here, revenue is around US dollar 17 billion, while the expenses are US dollar 21 billion. I hope you understood me in both of the topics. Have a good day.
Geography of Odisha. Odisha is one of the 28 states in the Republic of India. It is located in the eastern part of peninsular region of India. It shares its border with West Bengal, Jharkhand and Andhra Pradesh. The state covers an area of 1,55,707 square kilometers. Its coastline is 480 km long. The state is divided into 30 districts and then divided into 314 blocks. 31.41% of Odisha has forest cover. Now these are some beautiful images of Odisha. Temples of Odisha. Jagannath Temple. The Sri Jagannath Temple of Puri is an important Hindu temple dedicated to Jagannath. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards on the site of an earlier temple. The Puri temple is famous for its annual Ratha Yatra or chariot festival, in which the three principal deities are pulled on huge and elaborately decorated temple cars. The second one is Lingaraja Temple. Lingaraja Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva and is one of the oldest temples in Bhubaneswar, the capital of the Indian state of Odisha. The Lingaraja Temple is the largest temple in Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is called the Ekambra Kshetra. The third one is Brahmeshwara Temple. Brahmeshwara Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Historians place the temple to belong to the late 11th century as ascertained from an inscription carried to Calcutta from Bhubaneswar. The temple is classified as a Panchatanaya temple, where apart from the main shrine there are 4 subsidiary shrines in the 4 corners around the temple.
Festivals of Odisha. They include Durga Puja. Durga Puja is the most important festival of Odisha. The streets are lighted up and pandals are decorated to set the spirit of festivity among the people. The huge idols of Durga Ma, along with 2 other avatars of Mahalakshmi and Ma Saraswati, are immaculate in the pandals. Ratha Yatra, also known as Gandhalepana Yatra. It is the longest festival of Odisha. It is celebrated at Jagannath Temple at Puri. The deities are taken out of the temple for a holy patron in water, the traditional boats called Chappa. Tourism in Odisha. Odisha is one of the major tourism sectors of India with various tourist attractions ranging from wildlife reserves, beaches, temples, monuments, the arts and festivals. Other than wildlife reserves, beaches, etc., the Odisha Tourism Development Corporation, public sector undertaking of Government of Odisha, is also developing tourism sector of Odisha and India. Major attractions in Odisha include temples. The major temples of Odisha are present in Ekarama Kshetra or the temple city of Bhubaneswar, Puri, Jajpur, and Ganjam. Beaches. Odisha has a long coastline of 500 km. Notable beaches on this coastline include Konark Beach. It is India's finest beach. Museums in Odisha include Odisha State Museum. It is famous for its extensive collection of palm leaf manuscripts. Here are some of the pictures of it. Seeing spots in Odisha include Daripati. It is known as Kashmir of Odisha. Sanctuaries. Hadbak Wildlife Sanctuary. It is linked with Simlipal Tiger Reserve. Waterfalls. Badagagra Waterfall. It has a never-ending flow of water. Lakes in Odisha include Chilika Lake. It is the largest brackish lake of India.
Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.